Hello everyone, welcome to my video. In this video I want to continue our discussion about the dangers of clicking the arbitrary link, and in this case is cross-site scripting. In the previous video I already explained about the cross-site scripting for persistent type, right? So in this video I want to explain about the another type of cross-site scripting. In this video I will explain about the reflected type. So for reflected type we don't need to upload a content in the web. So first consider this is first consider this is the good user point of view, and the good user now is want to log in the web. Okay, now the good user successfully logged in to the site, and then as the previous video, this is the content that only the good user should be can access. Now in my previous video I am using the weakness of the site using this upload.php, right? Because in the site in this scenario have a like peg to upload image, but now in this trick the bad user or the malicious user don't need to upload anything. Instead he search for the certain vulnerabilities like this. Okay, so this is consider this is the search.php. This peg is something like search engine. So consider in this site you can search anything in the website. So when you submit this, consider this is the search result. I know this is not right, but this is just dummy, so bear with it. Okay, now the bad user want to test something like, what if I enter the JavaScript like this. And submit, and the JavaScript is working. Now if this is happen, the bad user can use the second type of the cross-site scripting. And how he do that? It's like this. Okay, now consider this is the point of view of the web server for the malicious user. Okay, here in my previous video I am using check.php, right? I upload this, and then after that I get the link and I give the link to the good user, and the good user will click the link, and then boom, the cookies will be sent to the jar.txt like this, right? Now for this second type of the cross-site scripting, it's same. The technique is like the good user will click the link, and then it will send the cookies in this jar.txt via catcher.php in here. But instead using this check.php, the bad user will using this funny.js. Okay, so the technique for this funny.js is like here in the line 1 variable cook will have all the cookies for the site, and then after that this script will send the cookies to the khl.php. Okay, now this is considered this is the web server of the malicious user, and this khl.php will, like in my previous video, it will send the cookies to the jar.txt. Okay, now we know that if we give or if we search the JavaScript in here, it will it will run, right? So the bad user, okay, this is the point of view of the bad user. The bad user will test the funny.js script like this and submit. And let's check the jar.txt. And now since the bad user is testing its script, this cookies is the cookies of the bad user itself. So now, oh yeah, because in the search doc is using http get, the keyword for the search will be, we can see that in this link like this, so we can get the link. Okay, now we have the link, or the bad user have the link. Now the bad user will send this link, I don't know, using email or something like WhatsApp or anything. And now if the good user access this malicious link, he will see something like this. In the point of view of the good user, there's nothing strange in this page, but in the jar.txt of the bad user or the malicious user, he will get the cookies for the cookies of the good user like this, right? And now, as in my previous video, you know that if we get the cookies like this, we can easily, if we get the cookies like this, we can easily log in the page without using username and password. If you want to know how to do that, just click in my previous video. Okay, now let's just test this. Let's just test the cookies that we already get. First, I will test using vanilla curl. So the address is like this. As you can see, if we using the vanilla curl, we will get nothing. But if we insert the cookies, see, we can access the content that only the good user can access, right? And that's it. That is how the second type of the cross-site scripting works. I think in my next video I will explain about how to prevent all of this type of attack. And now see you in my another video. Bye.